Getting the skunk off. Ooh, nice. Ooh, it's pulling some drag. Get away from her other stuff. Bring it over here, baby. Whoa, this one's a wild one. All right. Good job, honey. Got another one? Wife's doubling up over here. Let's go, baby. What do we do with this one? Another, that one's even nicer. Nice, look at that. He's doubled up. Good job. Away from her stuff. She'll get mad at me. She will get mad at me if I get her tangled up. You don't get me in trouble, fish. Alright. You don't like your net, babe.
Get in the bush.
I wish Cutthroat would fight like this. Nice, baby. Thank you. Alright, skunks off for both of us. Nice, Rainbow. Come on, buddy. There you go. The wrong way? Let me help you out. Try that again. Sideways a little bit. Barely got him by the lip. There he goes. Into the depths. That just flipped way out.
Imagine if I lose her pole.
Oh, she'd be mad. That's an expensive. You shouldn't even use her pole.
This one's actually a kid's one. It's only $8.
Still, more than I pay for my rods. That was a nice one. I would about took her pole in the water.
I even tightened my drag up.
Woo! Let's go, baby.
Not even that big, but he was vicious.
Hey, these rainbows got some fight.
Nice one.
Nice. Let's go, baby.
Not my trickle party.
I took her pole in the water.
Almost pulled the dude.
Let's go, baby. Nice. Nice, honey. Let's see your skills. You got like grab the front of your pole and lift it up like this, like you just did. Nice, honey.
Struggle was real on that one.
She was struggling. Feels like a little one.
The littlest one.
Yeah. How I do it? How I do. I catch the littlest ones. Wife shows me up. Get away from those bushes, please. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Thanks, buddy. I like your arm block. Oh, man. Nice one. Thanks, buddy. Nice, baby. Nice one, honey. Nice. Thanks, buddy. Nice hook set. Nice one, baby. Ooh. Woohoo! Dancer. Thick. Nice, honey. My wife's just killing it. Nice, baby. That's 8. She's rubbing it in my face now. She's counting. Number 9, honey?
9.
9.
Crazy.
Pretty colors. Come on, buddy. That was pretty colors. Thanks, buddy. Let me help you out. You choked it.
Get one?
Nice. Had one.
Hey, at least caught one.
Hey. All right, just catch a smallie, and then I think I'm ahead of you now. If I catch a smallie, that just puts me ahead. No matter how many trout you catch, you you catch one smallie, it takes over all your trout.
I wish. You just hate that I can outfish you.
I like that you can outfish me. Whoa, that one's fat. This one's healthy. That is a healthy one. That is a healthy one. That one's decent. She wanted to catch one. Oh, I just got off.
No, it's still.
She wanted to catch one more before she left.
How long has it been on there?
Probably been there for a while. It's just probably stuck at the bottom. It's a nice one too. She wanted to catch. She wanted to catch one more. Woo! Nice.
How long has it been there? My pole hasn't moved.
Got people out here enjoying the day. It's a nice one. Bring the boat next time.